All right, so we got the grader attachment set up on the SVL 90-2. I got just a little job I'm gonna do with this today. We'll start this off the best way I know how. I've never ran this thing before.
Just to clarify, I'm talking about the grader attachment. I've never ran the grader attachment.
So it's gonna be an absolute, you know what kind of show it's gonna be. So we'll get in here. We're just gonna track this up to where I'm going. It's not that far, especially with that -2 feature, and we'll get going. It has 2 speeds! 2 speeds!
All right, so the part that I'm driving on right now, we're getting ready to spin around. This is just a high water road access that people on the bottom side of the hill use whenever the water gets over the highway down below. So we don't really keep a lot of maintenance on that. It's not used that often, and we just kind of clean it up if the water's getting ready to come up, so it's ready for the use. But what we're getting ready to grade is the main road for the 5 homes that are back here. So just trying to figure out kind of what these controls do. Mike gave me a little bit of a crash course on it. But like anything, it's just going to take the good old-fashioned seat time and figuring out what's what and what works best for me. So it's that old-fashioned, you got to crawl before you run thing. It's frustrating, but at the same time, it's kind of fun learning something new. So bear with me. It's not the best operating you're going to see today, but, you know, hopefully it's entertaining. So you notice in this clip, the biggest thing I'm fighting right off the bat is, so I have the blade angled, obviously to kind of roll the stone towards the center, which wants to pull the skid steer to the left, and I'm kind of having a hard time figuring out how much pressure I need to keep to the right to maintain a decent straight line. You can see make a little bit of a slalom course there. So that brownish reddish material you see roll up every now and then, that's not dirt. That's actually what we call chert, C-H-I-R-T. It's what a lot of people use for road base around here. Typically trucked, it's around $5 or $6 a ton, so it's pretty inexpensive road base. And then we just throw this white clean rock on top just to kind of dress it up.
Private road. There's 5 of us that live up here, and we all 5 just kind of pitch in for a new stone every year. And there's one guy up here, one of our neighbors, he's got a tractor about the same size as mine, and he comes through and kind of drags and maintains it. This road's about 4 years old, and he's done a heck of a job just dragging and maintaining it and that kind just, you know, every now and then the road needs a little bit more. So
So after a couple passes, I ended up feeling a little bit more comfortable with it and kind of got the feel of it, the hang of it. The biggest thing that I struggled with is I can't see both ends of the grader blade out of the cab. I know you'd think you'd have really good visibility of each end, but I had a hard time seeing both cutting edges. But I will say things don't go according to plan in just a little bit. Yep, you guessed it, I break something. So once the wheels are gone, you pretty much lose all benefit of the whole grader attachment. I was able to just kind of carry it like a box blade, knock my windrows down, and be done with it. Now, let's take care of some unfinished business. Ready? Okay, it's W-H-O-P-P-A space C-H-O-P-P-A. C. That's correct. Wappa Choppa. Yep. That is what I need. I need 2 of those. That sounds awesome. Thank you so much. You too. Bye. Well, there's that taken care of. And now, the not so fun phone call. Oh, life. Hey man, what are you up to? Oh yeah, nice. Hey, you remember that time? I broke the mirror on the CD500, and then everybody like made fun of me about it and made jokes for a really long time about it. You remember that? Man, have I got a great thing for them to make fun of me now for. You know the wheels on the grader? One of the one on the left, the damn rim broke on me. I mean, it can be welded up, but it's really thin metal. I mean, I don't know if if I could see it easily happening to the other one in the future. So I'll take it off and I'll set it down there next to the grader for you to look at, and you just let me know what you want to do, but obviously I'll take care of that. So, okay, that sounds good. All right, see ya. So, moral of the story, y'all give me crap about broken mirror. Well, now I got a broken wheel, but you know what? It's a bummer. I hate whenever I rent Mike's equipment and something breaks, but oh, let me get back in this thing. That's just part of it. So let's go down there. We'll get this wheel off. All right, so we're down here at the lot. We're gonna take this wheel off. Mike said he's on his way to town anyway, so he can kind of check out, see what he wants to do with it. You know, stuff breaks sometimes. That's just kind of all there is to it. It's a bummer when it happens, especially when you're renting somebody's equipment. I hate to
hate to do that to somebody else's stuff, but unfortunately that's just the nature of the game. Luckily I work for an awesome guy. You know, the only thing you can do is fix it or pay for it or do whatever you need to do to make it right. He takes really good care of me, so I try to do my best to respect his equipment and take care of him. See if we can get this thing off here. And that'll be it for... How does that come off? So I was telling Mike on the phone, listen to the... Hear that? See how thin that is? These rims are not very substantial. I'd have no problem buying him some heavier duty wheels. Otherwise, I foresee that happening again in the future. So this is just a little bag I carry with me. I keep it on the fire engine too, actually, with me. But whenever I drive, this is just something I keep with me. It's got vice grips. It's got channel locks. It's got a pipe wrench. It does have vice grips. Some random screwdrivers and pliers. I'm telling you what, if you drive a truck, if you're on the road, heck, I even keep it in my personal car. That way I've always got it. It saved me more than once. If you can't fix it on the side of the road with channel locks, vice grips, or a pipe wrench and some random screwdrivers, well, it's probably more than a roadside repair. Anyway.
As always, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel and you just found this video, please hit that subscribe button. I'd super appreciate it. Don't forget to ring that bell, the little bell icon on the side. That way you get notifications when I post new content. As always, you guys have been fantastic. I appreciate all the comments. Keep them coming. If you haven't found me on Instagram, check me out on Instagram. You can shoot me a message on there. I've had several guys send me some pictures of their homemade tractor implements that they've made, and it's absolutely awesome. I love chatting with you guys. So, say it one more time. Thanks again for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.